Visibility is your brand's best friend. Hear me out. Hi everyone, Christopher Melotti here, the marketing consultant, and visibility is the key to making more sales. Now you might be thinking, oh, I do a lot of different things, but brand visibility really helps, and that means you have to be omni-channel. You have to be everywhere, because today your customers are digital natives, but they're also analog natives, which means what they do is they are comfortable with interacting with brands in any medium, right? People pick up pamphlets, they look at business cards, they go to networking events, they look online, they search for you, they use AI. So in other words, your brand has to be where they're going to be and memorable. So the key to being where they're going to be is visibility. So take an omni-channel approach with your marketing. You need to be across multiple different channels, but consistent, so you are memorable and you make an impact, because when you're visible, you are top of mind. If you have any questions or you need any more information, contact me. I'd love to discuss brand visibility with you.